Hello learners, welcome to the complete ethical hacking course, exploring secrets of hackers. Now we are proceeding to our Kali Linux operating system practicals. First of all, we will go through our information gathering part. As you can see here that there are 14 topics in Kali Linux, and in 14 topics there are different type of tools available in our database of Kali Linux. Now we are proceeding to our first chapter, which is information gathering through internet or some dark web on internet. In information gathering part, I have my favorite software, which is Racon NG. And in this module we are starting with Racon NG software. If you don't know what is Racon NG is used to find out the information as much as possible of a target from internet. So let's find out the information regarding Racon NG. Click on applications, go to information gathering part and click on Racon NG. As you can see that Racon NG is like Metasploit. It also contains modules, and we are doing a very small practical, but it's very useful for you. So let's type keys, add, that you have to type a keys, then add the name and the value of the key. So keys space add Flickr. As you can see, it has been added of Flickr API. Now we are proceeding to our workspaces space list. Now you can see that there is a workspace. Workspaces means a project, and in project there are three types of sub projects available, like default, target, and kali.org is available in my database. Now workspaces move. Let's go here and delete it, and kali.org has been deleted from workspaces. So let's type show or workspaces space list. Now you can see here that kali.org has been deleted. So now add kali.org workspaces space add kali.org. Kali.org has been added into workspaces. Workspace is like a project, right? So workspaces space list. Now you can see that kali.org has been added to our workspaces. Let's type show domains. There is no data available for domains. Now type help. In help you can see that you can add back, delete, exit, record, reload, shell. There are so many commands are available for workspaces. Now let's type show. If you type show, you can show any type of command available in our database of workspaces, like companies, banners, domains, hosts, keys, and all. If you type show keys, it will show you some different type of keys available in our database, right? And now we are proceeding to our main work, which is type modules. Now it is not found. We have to just type modules here. Show domains. Now we have to load netgraph here. Netgraph is used to find the information regarding the target. So that's why I have loaded netgraph in my exploit area. Now type show options. There are options available for netgraph, like what is the name, what is the current value, what is the description. So I don't have any source or I don't have any target, so I have first of all I have to add a target. So let's set source to kali.org. Now I have added my source to kali.org, that I want to find information about kali.org website. Now show options. Now you can see that kali.org has been added here. Previously it was default, but we have added it to kali.org. Show domains and type run. Now you can see that netgraph is searching the subdomains and domains available for kali.org on internet, and will give you a list of subdomains related to netgraph. And you can see on screen that we have found almost 36 hosts, right? And means 36 subdomains are available in my netgraph database for Kali Linux website, kali.org website. Like here you can see these are the domains. These are all our domains. As how can we find that these are domains or these are subdomains? That kali.org is in the end of every website, as here or here or here. So kali.org is available in each and every website available in the database, right? Now we have found the result and we want to put it into a table. So type show hosts, and here we go. Here you can see we have 36 entries and they have been put into a table systematically, right? And in those table it is a host, then IP address, region, country, latitude, longitude, module, etc. Now we want to find some other table entries also. That we have found the first one column host, but we don't have the other entries available. So let's find out the other entries in our database. You have to type load resolve. As you can see that if I type load resolve, it gives me 3 results. Here you can see the 3 results in which you have to use one of them. So I know, as I have used them, so I'm using the first one. You can use all of 3 of them to gather results. So type use space and copy this one, copy and paste, enter, and you are inside resolve module. Now we are show options, current values default, and type run. Now you can see that each and every host in the table has been put or has been assigned an IP address. These IP address is related to this website, right? So that's how we can find the IP address of any website by using the resolve module. Now, if you want to put it into a table, you have to type show hosts, enter, and you can see that the IP address has been put into the IP address column. All have been filled with IP address, right? Now I want to find the address or the longitude latitude of the any website. I want to find the directions of website, so I'm typing load free geo IP, show options. Source is default. Yes, it should be default. You don't have to put the kali.org here, but default is like it is using the previous table or previous module. And type run. Now you can see that it will show you the proper address or proper location of particular IP address, and latitude longitude also available here. Now you can see that it is Canada, United States, Canada, etc. These are the address of particular IP address. Show options. I'm sorry. You have to type show hosts. Now you can see that my table has been filled. That the geo IP module has provided me the region, the country of particular IP address, the latitude, longitude, and the module we are using. Right. Now I want to find the address of particular IP. Now we know the country name and the region, but we don't know the street address. So I want to find the street address of a particular IP address. So let's find out. Show locations. There is no data available. That's why I have to add location. Okay, just type add locations. Now that's right. Now I have to put the latitude, so I'm putting a latitude. So let's put this one. Copy, paste, enter, and the longitude, paste, enter. I don't know the street address. Let's enter it. Show I have added. Now I have to load the reverse underscore geocode module. Reverse geocode has been added. Now show options. It is in default, and type run. Yes, now you can find that it has been geocode has reversed the longitude latitude, and it has the location of exact IP address is this, that it is in Canada, it is Montreal, it is the Roddick Gates. This is the street address of the particular IP address, or particular along this one. This is the street address of this server. This is Roddick Gates, Montreal, Canada. So Now, now you can see that Recon NG is really good tool to find the street address and the exact address of a particular IP address or of a website. So you can see that how Recon NG can be used to find out the region, country, latitude, longitude, IP address, and hosts of a particular website. Now you can see that Recon NG is a really good tool to find out these type of IP addresses available here. Now if you want to find some other websites, let's find out one more time. Go to applications, go to information gathering, and type Recon NG. You are here. I'm finding for some other website. So workspaces list. I want to add one more. So workspaces space add yahoo.com. Yahoo.com has been added. Now I'm loading load netcraft. Show options. Set source to yahoo.com and run. Now you can see that it has been detected the yahoo.com subdomains. It has find out so many subdomains of yahoo.com that these are very big companies, so these companies have so many subdomains available in their database. So that's how you can see that how Recon NG works for you. You cannot find out these type of subdomains from internet, but if you're using Recon NG, then you can find out all types of subdomains available for yahoo.com. You can see that there are thousands of subdomains available for the yahoo.com. Let's cancel it and type show hosts. You can see here. Now if you want to find out the IP address, it is really simple. Load resolve, use the first one, copy and paste, enter, then show options, run. Now you can see the IP addresses of all yahoo.com subdomains available in our database. So that's how you can find out. Show hosts. As you can see, it has been filled, and now it's your task to find out the street address and the latitude longitude of these all subdomains available of yahoo.com. It's up to you. You have to find out these. It's your task, guys. So that's how you can see that how you can find out the IP addresses, locations, and subdomains of a particular IP using Recon NG. So this is all about the Recon NG software available in Kali Linux to gather information about a particular website or IP address. I hope you have enjoyed the video. In some next videos, we will find some mind-boggling practicals of Kali Linux. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.